What do you think about AI right now when you're working in your project, sir? Does it take away all the jobs or it will create more jobs?
I think it will remove a few of the jobs. When I say few of the jobs, it has to do with like very basic, routine, mundane tasks. Having said that, it can increase the efficiency as well, reduce the overall cost of the project, right? And having said that, will it increase? I'm not sure on that.
No, it doesn't replace humans, but help humans too.
I think not now, but maybe later, after maybe 10 years. AI is growing rapidly. So I think after 10 years maybe.
It's not going to happen very soon, but it's definitely going to take time. I think it is already happening. When it comes to brains, AI is already replacing a lot of human work. But when it comes to physical work, let's say you're allocating AI to do some task. Let's say right behind you, there's some mirchi bhaji frying. AI cannot do that right now, but soon in future it will come. We don't know when it's going to come, but it's definitely going to be there.
AI doesn't take any jobs. Even before when the financial crisis was happening, there were many talks, rumors doing around saying that something will take our jobs. Nothing will take our jobs. So the thing is, if we know how to train the AI, the jobs are secure.
I think even there's AI, it should be a human effort for that. Human effort leni we can't do anything. So I think that's a major key role. 70% might be AI, at least 30% has to be from human effort needed for that.
Human intelligence is more than artificial intelligence. So if you look at it in that way, AI cannot replace humans because the human intelligence made them. Ultimately, you can see it can make it very easy for people to understand and work accordingly with the AI. We can work side by side, but it cannot replace humans because humans are taking care of AI.
చాలు చాలు ఈ మాత్రం చాలు పదండి